VIZAG Profiles, a trusted name in the industry over 2 decades. Green City, VIZAG'S most prestigious integrated township and first smart city of VIZAG, developing in an extent of over 50 acres. In the first phase of development, 96 duplex villas, 144 luxury and deluxe flats are completed successfully. A full facility clubhouse with coffee shop, swimming pool, gym with steam bath facility, billiards, mini theatre with 80 seating capacity, indoor shuttle and TT courts, centrally air-conditioned function hall and convention center with guest rooms. Sri Vaibhava Venkateswara Swami Temple. Well-developed lush green parks, children playpen, amphitheatre and jogging track. Project mainly focused on eco-friendly development with energy conservation measures like LED and solar street lighting, solar water heating system, sewage treatment plant. Project situated in a pollution-free zone adjacent to 20 acres of water body. 24 hours integrated security with surveillance system. Wi-Fi enabled. Green City English Medium School with CBSE curriculum. In the second phase of development, the ongoing project, Green City Homes, 2 BHK affordable priced flats over 400 units in 15 blocks in an extent of 5 acres with standardized sizes of 1100 and 1200 Sft East and West facing only. Green City Homes, an ideal investment option wherein the property would be maintained and managed by dedicated society. Green City Homes, situated 3 km from VIZAG Steel Plant, 3 km from VUDA Railway Station, 3 km from VSEZ, 4 km from BHEL, 9 km from Airport, 9 km from Naval Base, 10 km from Pharma City, 20 km from Achutapuram SEZ. We build more than just homes. We build lives and relations.